Good morning dear students. Today I am going to explain some more question of exercise 12.1. But before moving to the next question, let us discuss some more formula of this exercise. The first we have studied that slope can be found by applying the formula m is equals to tan theta. The first formula is m is equals to tan theta. If two coordinates are given, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2, then we can get the slope m by applying the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. In this condition, we get the equation of line by applying formula y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1, where m is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So if two coordinates are given, then we can get the slope by applying this formula, and we can get the straight line by applying this formula. So let us begin the questions. We have question number 26. Question number 26. The three coordinates are given. A is 2, 5. B is minus 1, 2. C is 5, 8. These are the three coordinates are the vertices of the triangle ABC. We have the triangle ABC. M is the point on AB such that AM is to MB 1:2. The ratio of AM is to MB is 1:2. Find the coordinate of M. Hence find the equation of the line CM. So first find the coordinate of AM. We can apply the section formula. We have the section formula, coordinate of M, capital X, comma, capital Y. How can we get? Capital X is equal to M2 x1 plus M1 x2 upon M1 plus M2. Y is M2 y1 plus M1 y2 upon M1 plus M2. In this condition, we have to get the coordinate of M. The coordinate of A is 2, 5. Coordinate of B is minus 1, 2. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. And these are the ratio M1, M2. 1:2, M1:M2. Put the value. Capital X is equals to, in place of M2, 2. X1 is 2 plus M1 is 1. X2 is minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. Y is equals to, M2 is 2. Y1 is 5. M1 is 1. Y2 is 2 upon M1 1 plus 2. Let the value 4 minus 1 by 3 and the Y is 10 plus 2 by 3. This is 12 by 3. This value is 4. Y is equals to 3 by 3. This value is 1. So coordinate of M is value of X is 1. So it is 1, 4. This is the coordinate of M. And the coordinate of C is 5, 8. We have the two values of C and M, two coordinates of C and M. C is 5, 8. M is 1, 4. So first get the slope. M is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We have x1 y1 and x2 y2. Put the value in place of y2 4, in place of y1 8 upon 1 minus 5. This is minus 4 by minus 4. This is 1. The slope is 1. So get the equation of Cm by applying the formula y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. Y minus, in place of y1 we have 8, m is 1, x minus x1 is 5. So y minus 8 is equals to x minus 5. Y is equals to x minus 5 plus 8. So y is equals to x plus 3. So like this we can get the equation of line. Next we have question number. Next I am going to take question number 29. The three vertices of the parallelogram taken in order. A is 3, 6, B is 5, 10 and C is 3, 2. Find the coordinate of the fourth vertex, length of the diagonal BD and the equation of the line AB of the parallelogram. I am going to just explain how can we solve. It will be solved by you. Question number. I am going to explain just the process. How can you get the equation? It is given that there is a parallelogram AB, CD. A is 3, 6. B is 5, 10 and C is 3, 2. You have to get the coordinate of D. Suppose this coordinate is x, y. The simplest way to get its value is draw the diagonals. We all know that diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. It means that if the coordinate of A and C is given, we can get its midpoint, A, B. With the help of this AB is also the midpoint of this line. We can get the value of x and y. For getting the length of BD, we apply the formula distance is equals to, or length is equals to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. And for the third, AB, equation of AB, we have the two coordinates. With the help of these two coordinates, we can get the m by the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then we can apply the equation of line y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. In 30th question, here we have a graph. In this graph, this is the line. Here we have the point P, 2, minus 3. This is A and this is B. For this, the value of A is A, 0 and the value of B is 0, B, because it is on y-axis and it is on x-axis. With the help of this, we can get the value of A and B. How can we get? Here it is given that P is the midpoint. P is midpoint and the formula of midpoint is x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. and y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. These are the coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2. We can get the value of capital X and capital Y with the help of P. So we can get the coordinates of A and B. With this we can get the slope by applying formula m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And in third we can get the equation of a straight line by applying the same formula y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Like this you can solve the other question of the exercise. So try to solve by applying these formulas. Thank you.